All right, markets just opened this morning. GME going higher. Macy's, we want to see it going higher. GME, I would have preferred to see it come down a little bit before it starts moving higher. AI started to move higher a little bit. Okay, Macy's is doing what we wanted to do. MSTR, GME. Okay, Macy's and MSTR, GME. All right, Macy's first 1 minute candle, volume 550K. Second 1 minute, not bad. So waiting for a reversal to take Macy's to the downside. Volume doesn't look bad. What else? Meta is going higher. Nvidia coming lower. First open up 1.5%. Google. I traded Google yesterday. Let's see what happens. It's going to be a little bit of a slow opening today. Okay, Macy's, if it comes under $15, we're going to take a short. 24 cents stop loss. Macy's under $15. AI looks like it's got a decent volume. MSTR ripping higher. I want to see this come down before I take it to the long side. Same thing with GME. Market first 5 minute candle actually moving higher on both the ES and the NQ. So don't forget that we have actually a gap. SPY is up about 0.5%, Qs are up about 0.89%. So that's a significant higher move gap. So don't forget that we're actually okay. AI, I don't like the way that this is coming down. I want to see it a little bit higher, move a little bit higher. Could have taken it short under 38.87, under 39, with about 50 cents stop loss. Yep. GME. Amazon moving higher, Google moving higher, Microsoft doing the same thing. The one big name that's coming down right now is Nvidia. Apple trying to make a move. Tesla, wow, Tesla missed the trade on Tesla. Look at what Tesla is doing. So this should have been a trade on a reversal here. But hey, Macy's under 15 with about 20 cents stop loss. Short now Macy's. short at 14.96 Macy's with about 20 cents stop loss. So we need about 20 cents on Macy's to take a partial. MSTR doesn't stop. Look at MSTR. Wow. We need 20 cents on Macy's. The low is 14.88. I want to see it around 14.80ish, 14.79, 14.78ish. Second 5 minute candle on the market, going higher. SPY and Q's pushing higher. So are all big names: Amazon, Google, Microsoft, all of them. Tesla, PDD, blah, blah. Alright, GME, I might take it on the long side on a breakout here. About above 28.95 is the highs. 28.95 high, stop loss 28.44, about 50 cents. So we're gonna take 400 shares. Macy's. We've got about 10 cents on Macy's now. Okay, Macy's getting closer. 1,700 shares. I'm gonna cover 1,700 shares on Macy's. Okay, Macy's, we're very close. 1477. I want to see it around 1470 area. 1470. Okay, that's it. Nice, 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 nice partial on Macy's. Oh, whoa. Wow, I made a mistake on Macy's. Wow. Trying to cover, I actually shorted more on Macy's. Wow, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. I was trying to cover 1,700 shares, but I actually shorted 1,700 more shares instead of going long. But I corrected my mistake right away. And actually, I got out of Macy's all in all, which is wrong. But at least I covered my shorts. I covered the whole thing. So if you make a mistake, what we learned from last time, I think a couple days trading back, is like you have to correct your mistake right away. That's it. That's it. Wow. Okay. Well, that was a winning trade on Macy's. Let's try to find another trade now. GME, it's violating the technical pattern that I had seen on it. Alright, look at AI. Missed AI on the downside earlier, but I said I could have taken it short under this area right here, under $39. It would have been a pretty good trade. Well, didn't like the chart pattern then, so technical pattern, I was not so fond of it. That's why I didn't take it. GME markets. So second 5 minute candle on the market. Look at it. So we're hanging around here. Highs from 2 days ago, actually the middle of the range. Lunchtime highs. Q's trying to make a new high. Q's actually just made a new high as I'm speaking right now. So let's not forget that we actually have the gap at the bottom. So let's not forget that. We might actually come back towards closing the gap, even though this is a bigger gap, and we might not come down to close the gap. We might just gap and go. So Boeing, Tesla. Wow, look at MSTR. It just did a V-shape formation. It's actually working on a V-shape formation right now. Interesting. Right. A topping tail forming at the top of the market, both on the ES and the NQs. So we can expect the market to retrace a little bit back now. A lot of the big names pulling back down. This is what I'm talking about when I am saying, when I'm talking about, when I say big names, these are the big names that I'm talking about. Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, all these big names currently retracing back with the market. Apple just broke out about 250 to 49, 50 cents. Tesla is getting interesting a little bit. Hmm. We had a gap up, so I'm not going to take a short position on Tesla. GME is holding here, so we might actually take a long position on GME. Nvidia just closed the gap. GME 28.31, 28.86, about 55 cents. MSTR looks very interesting above here, but not my kind of trade. But if it comes back up here, so let's see, if MSTR does this, and then this, then I'm going to take it long. Okay, GME, 55 cents, 55 cents stop loss. About to take GME long on a breakout. The high is 28.95. We're going to take it long over 29. 29. About 60 cents stop loss. Look at MSTR. It's a good thing that it's actually getting rejected more and more here, because then the pressure is gonna get higher, and once it breaks out, it's gonna break out for good. At least it's getting tighter. It's getting tighter. Google. Look at Google. Once the market opened, it never looked back. Got this retracement. 190.62. No, it's way too far out from the view up. I wish it could come back, get rejected again, and then go higher. I would take that trade, but this one, not really. Oh wow, market just made a new high. A strong move on the market. GME. GME, the spread now is about 6 cents. It's trying, it's trying. Okay, rejected again. Okay, I'm in GME. I'm in GME. Made a new high. Got filled at what? 28.99. We need to see it above 29. That whole number is going to be a struggle on GME. But if GME moves above the whole number, we're going to see a significant move. I think I jumped the gun a little bit. Okay, we're over the whole number. Let's see what happens now. GME stop loss about 28.35. So about 60 cents. Okay, market making a new high. So we just broke above the institutional range. The Qs making no high, making a significant move. Let's see what happens. Hmm. Both the ES and the NQs are making new highs. The Qs just made a new high, like a new all-time high, but we don't see these big names moving. What's cooking here? What is cooking here? So they're expecting, obviously, the market to. They're a little bit worried. Obviously, a lot of people are worried about the gap underneath. So let's see. Let's see what happens. MSTR. Wow. This reversal right here would have been a trade on MSTR 390 and 390 50ish stop loss 386 387 but about $4 stop loss. could get out of GME. Like it's not doing anything wrong right now, but Google inching higher, 190.53, 191.37. Just made a $1 move by inching just higher a little bit. I don't like these kinds of trades. Well, GME. GME looks like it's stalling a little bit. Volume 24,000 here. This candle had a bigger volume. If GME tries to move higher, gets rejected and comes back out, comes down. Okay, we're out of GME. We're about to get out of GME. Out of GME. Out of GME with the loss. Alright, let's look for other trades now. Apple is making a new high. Nvidia. Netflix 2% up. Let's see what Netflix is doing. Wow, UNH. I got an alert earlier, but I ignored it. But look, UNH gapped down. Let me show you the daily of the UNH. This started going lower after the news on the CEO murder. And look at it. 2 straight days, huge move downs to the downside, and then it retraced back a little bit, obviously a rest day, and now we started selling. Okay, we're gonna keep an eye on UNH. I'm a little bit hesitant about taking a long position right now, especially breakout trades, because the market is way too extended, in my opinion. I like what Amazon is doing here, but with how the market is right now, with where the market is right now, it's really hard to take a breakout. Look at the market. This is what the market is doing. Like, we only had one 5 minute candle. That's doji, and that's about it. On Qs, spice, bull flag went higher, so we're hanging out right here. We have all this gap right here. Let's not forget that. We've got this gap right here, and we've got this gap right here. Macy's. Look at Macy's. We took a short position on Macy's, and look at what happened. We shorted it here, so obviously gap and go trades work in the first 1 hour. So look at what happened in Macy's. Now it's back all the way to the high of the day, and it's starting to make a new high. So Amazon breakout. Mm. 28. I got it at 28.29. He made 28.22 was the lows, and now it's back up to where it started. It is what it is. That's the game that we're playing. I don't see anything that I like. We need the market to pull back a little bit. We need the market to pull back a little bit. I'm interested at UNH United Healthcare here because it's had a bad news in the last couple of days, and I want to take it short, but like this is way too extended. Obviously, we got a little bit of a pullback here, and I could have taken it short right here, but I want to see it pull back a little bit higher because we could find support here, not break the lows, and then take the high of this candle right here and then pull back up. What I mean by that is, so now we can do this, break this out, do this, and then come closer to the view up, and then do this. Let's see what happens actually. Or we can just do this, get rejected here, come back, and then break down and make a new low. Or we can just break down right here. Low is 533.70. I'm not gonna take this. I don't like it. So look at this. This is the difference between looking at charts in different time frames. When you see the 1 minute chart, you see a retracement, like a little bit of a pullback and trying to go lower. It looks good on the 1 minute chart, but once you switch on the 5 minute chart, like this thing has never had, like it hasn't gotten any significant pullback so far. It could break down definitely, but look at this. Look at all this volume right here. So I want to see a pullback towards the VWAP before I can start thinking about taking a short position on UNH. Alright, so UNH pulled back a little bit. It's consolidating down here. 533.70. I don't like the risk here. My stop loss, if I get into this trade, is going to be around 538 area, and that's what 530 for about $4 here, and this could just be a very slow mover. I think that's gonna be it for me for today. We took two trades. We missed one trade on AI. We took a short position on Macy's. Tried to go long on a breakout on GME. One winner, one loser. That's about it for today. Market trying to pull back a little bit now. We're probably gonna come towards the view up area at some point. Actually, we might actually come and hang out around the view up area today, somewhere in the next like 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.